All right, I'm going to show you how to do the administration for Social Buzz U. Social Buzz U is where we hold webinars, socialbuzzu, the letter u.com. We advertise them there, and we also hold them there, meaning people can watch them on Social Buzz U. So what we need done is we need the webinars set up so that when we go live, they show up on the watch page, what we call the Hangout page, and then they get taken down right after because we don't let them up there. We sell them afterwards, okay? Or people who are full paid members of Social Buzz Club can have access to the replays. So replays are not free. So we have a process involved where we have to set up the next webinar, the next live webinar. Live webinars are free, replays are not. Hopefully that makes sense. So you want to go to, very first thing you want to go to is YouTube. When you get to YouTube, you're probably logged in as yourself. So and you can see who you're logged in, and up in the upper right, whatever's in the circle is what you're logged into. This should show you your other accounts that you're an admin of, or it'll have an option to say switch account. You want to find Social Buzz Club and click on it. If you can't find it, it means you're not an admin, and you need to send me, Laura at socialbuzzclub.com, your Google email so I can add you. Okay, so when you click on it, it changes the icon at the upper right to Social Buzz Club. Click on it again, you'll get to go to the next place, the Creator Studio. When you arrive in the Creator Studio, you'll look on the left for live streaming. Click the down arrow next to live streaming and wait a second, because you will have two options that appear, Stream Now and Events. You want to click Events, and then you'll see upcoming events. These are YouTube live events. If the next event is not there, please create it. How will you know what the next event is? You will go to Social Buzz U, and up there, sorry, you'll just go to Social Buzz U, socialbuzzu.com, and boom, right there on the home page, voila, should be the next upcoming webinar. Today's date is August 29th. This is for September 14th. That is the next one, okay? So, and you can verify that in the webinar schedule page. So click on the webinar schedule, and if that's the next one up, that's great. Then you know you need to put Yakov's in the watch page. Okay, great. So a couple of things about that. Yakov is the next one. Now, if by chance August 24th is here, which is last week, please notify me at Laura at socialbuzzclub.com that we need the next one, and let me know what the next one is, or when is that going live. Yakov's, okay? So I will get that up for you. In the meantime, if you know what the next one is, go into YouTube. If you see it here, we want to get this YouTube link that has been created. When you create a live event, even in the future, it gives you a YouTube link. You can see that in the lower left corner, right there. Right there on your screen. Oh, I think. Anyway, it's when I hover over. If you can't see it, you can just click on it, and boom, you get it. You want to copy that link, and then we want to go over to Social Buzz U and put it in. So you got to log into the dashboard at WPAdmin, socialbuzzu.com/WP-admin. Okay, you're logged in. The easiest way to get to the right page to put your link in that we just copied is to go to socialbuzzu.com/hangout. That is the page you want. Click this orange P. That looks like I don't know if you can tell, it's like a hexagon, but it's actually a P. That is the edit page in the editor. There's a special editor for this page only. If by chance you click this edit page, that's okay, you can do that too. You can still get to this P. Click that P. Yeah, that's good enough information. So you'll see that this is a new video, but you don't know, if you see the old video in there, that's what you should see, because you're going to be changing it to the upcoming video. And you just click on that pencil, and then this window opens on the right, and replace the URL with the upcoming, which happens to be the same one because I already did this. Then over here on the left, you see where this little diskette is. Click it and wait until this stops spinning. Wait until the save page little double arrow stops spinning. Then preview the page. Make sure the new video is in there. And voila, it is. Okay? That's very good. There's a big white space in here. One day that won't happen. But right now I don't know why it does. Okay, so what if Yakov's link was not in here? Well, then you'd have to create a new live event. And the way you do that is you go like this. You go to new live event and you put in the title and the person leading it. We have one coming up with a guy named Bob Clark, and his title of his webinar I have to go find, and it is Cutting Edge Ways to Use Testimonials. It's going to be on December 14th. I'm actually going to put the time in first because date tends to get wiped out. So I recommend putting in the time first at 11 a.m. It's always going to be 11 a.m. The dates are on the webinar schedule, and his is December 14th. They're always on a Thursday too, usually the 2nd and 4th, not always. So you can even put in here if you like. All right, so you don't have to worry about that. You can ignore what's in there. You want to make sure this is unlisted and create that event. And Bob Clark is now in the list, right? And I capitalized it. You don't have to. Most of them are not. So you can always edit it, by the way. Just go to edit. And over here, we can do Bob Clark. And then save the changes. All the same, right? Right. Always unlisted. And quick. Using Google Hangouts on Air. So that is how to create a YouTube live event in our live streaming YouTube Live event list. That's how to add it to the watch page. This is the watch page. And now the old one, we have to go find what was the one that was before this one. Well, if we go to the video manager, you can see what was here. And you should also verify. So Sharon Saylor was up, Mark Bernard was up. This one is actually an old one, but Sharon Saylor, you can see again. You can always go back to the webinar schedule on socialbuzzu.com and check out who is there. You might have to press the back arrow, but there she is, Sharon Saylor, and her name is spelled wrong there, unfortunately. And you can see if we click it again, it was on August 24th. Okay, so we need to go and find Sharon Saylor's video, and what we want is the video link. We want the embed code. So we don't really want to edit it. We want to go to the actual video. This takes you into the editor, but we need this video link, or you can just click to it, and you can pause the video. You want to go to share and then embed. You see that embed right there on the right. And when you go to embed, you want to uncheck show suggested videos when the video finishes. You can click then copy. It's going to copy this iframe content. Then you want to go into the back end of Social Buzz Club. Okay, so we're going to go to the admin area of Social Buzz Club, log in there. And we want to go to Learning Center, Class, Add New Class, which will bring up a form. It's already been submitted. The form is going to look like this, but empty. Okay, so you have her name and her Ditch Your Pitch topic, and I put in her subtitle so that you can know what it's about, how to talk about what you do in 100 words or less. Then I pasted in the YouTube iframe, and we want to put some tags in there, marketing, copy. You know, just if you don't know what it is, that's going to be problematic. So you may want to ask me what the tags are, or make up a couple that seem, ditch your pitches about how to talk about what you do in 100 words or less. So it's marketing, copy, message. She talks a little bit about body language. I put it under the category of traditional marketing because it wasn't online marketing or Facebook or, you know, book marketing or article marketing. Just go through the list and pick up the right category. You can document what you've entered, and I can always go in. You can always ask me, you know, did you do it right? Or could I correct it if it's not? And then you want to say when the class was by using the calendar. And I don't know why it's I don't want to do that. I'm not going to submit it, but you would check the August 24th and the 11 o'clock time, which is already in there, and it will populate it there. And then you can submit it. So there you have it. That's how you add it. And you want to test it. You want to log out of here. You always want to log out when you go to test on the member side. So we want to go to the member side, log in there, socialbuzzclub.com/login.php. You want to go into the Learning Center and view that it's there. The right one is there. I'm not sure why it doesn't show the thumbnail, but most of them do. These, for some reason, have not. That we're going to go with it. All right, there you have it.